Okay, hello guys and welcome to DTW Tutorials. Welcome. So in today's video, I quickly want to share some profile issue profile issues I've encountered. Okay, and how I've been able to help people resolve it. Okay, I'm going to be showing you the screenshots. I've been telling people if you have any issues on your profile code. I never knew people will start. If I never knew a lot of people are even having this problem. I think JAMB should actually come and resolve it or look for, I don't know, for easier way, easier method for this. I don't know. I think maybe this is the easiest method because of technology. Not everyone is accessible to the internet, so a USSD is the least. So them, I'm sure, yeah, they actually thought of it quite deeply. So, because not everyone in Nigeria has access to the internet. So USSD, doing that profile code is actually the best solution until maybe we advance, then everything will be online. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you screenshots. So a lot of people I've attended to, I don't want to exaggerate, but over 50 messages, over 50 students, parents messaging me on profile code issues. Okay, so I'm going to be sharing it. All right, I would share my phone screen. So let me quickly show you. Hold on, let me open up the screenshots. I'll be showing you each and every one of them what you will do. Okay, so okay, let me pause this and switch my okay, can you guys see this? Hold on. Okay, so see this now. So if you send, all right, and it says, yeah, you have received, it shows you this, do not repeat the process, and you've sent and sent, it's still showing you this. What should you do? This is why I tell people, try at midnight. Can you see this person? You see at 2:41 a.m. he tried and he has gotten it. Can you see? Say, thank you, ma, I've gotten my profile code. So many of them like this. So from 12 midnight, try. Now look at this. This is another problem. Unable to charge, ds.value.not found. So what I tell people normally is, make sure you have enough airtime on your phone. When this could be airtime problem, maybe you are using this bonus airtime. No, put authentic airtime on your phone. If it still shows you this, then it's your SIM card. All right, go to a SIM office, go and activate it. Why do I say so? You say, oh, I send messages already, I send text messages to normal number. It might be that your setting on your network doesn't send to special codes like this of JAMB. So go to your mobile network office, MTN, Airtel, and tell them you want to activate your SIM. Just tell them the problem in sending text messages. Okay, now look at this one now. If it says here, your request has been received, your name dash, I blocked the person's name, has already been registered with a GSM now, it means that you have done JAMB before. Okay, two things. But sometimes there's two people that have come to me and said they haven't done JAMB before. So it's either someone mistakenly putting their name. For those people, I've been on that issue, trying to resolve it. I haven't found a solution to that because it occurs, it's a rare occurrence. Okay, so I'm still working on that. That's for those that haven't started before and you are receiving this. I think you need to go to, I don't know yet, but if you're having that message, just send me a message. When I find solution for those that haven't done JAMB before and are receiving this message, then just send me a message. Okay, so so for you, if you've done JAMB before, it means that phone number is tied to you. You can't use any other phone number to generate a profile code. So what do? Two things: retrieve the phone number. Some will tell me, oh, I've gone, it cannot be retrieved. Another thing again, to get your profile code, if you have access to your portal, very important. If you have access to your portal, when you get into your portal, you would see your profile code there. If you don't have those two, you don't have access, you've lost it, you can't retrieve the number, contact me. I will charge you to track and retrieve your profile code for you. So this is on this issue. And if you are able to retrieve the number, you got the number back, all right, what you just do is just text resend on that number, and it will send you your profile code again. Okay, I hope you understand that. Now, this no record found is a NIM problem. Go to a NIM office and tell them you want to validate. Okay, they will go check your records and validate it. It takes some time. That's why I always tell people, please quickly go and start generating your profile code. Don't wait. All right, so this is quite straightforward. This one is straightforward. It's a NIM problem. Go to NIM office to validate. Okay, if you are still having issues, WhatsApp me. Now, look at this. Wrong parameter. When it says wrong parameter, it means you are imputing the wrong thing. Join DTW groups. Every day, I am sending the right way to generate your profile code. Please join the groups. Join us on Facebook. Join us on our WhatsApp group, Telegram group. I'm always sending the right way to generate your. So this, I just sent her the right way to generate her profile code, and she did it, and she got her profile code immediately. This is a first-time JAMB student. Okay. Now, when you have also this bad request, you are sending the wrong thing. Okay, this occurs when you see bad request. It means you put a letter. You put some letter, like this person put my name, then her name number. So it sent her this. Okay, when you see this wrong parameter, she put name and did like 2 space or 2 space before her name number. Okay, this is purely you are sending the wrong thing. Okay, is that all? There's one more I saw recently. Oh, hey, my son's pictures. There's one more I saw recently. Let me show you. Look, okay, it says your names retrieved from NIMC has special characters. Kindly correct. You can see this. This also is a name problem. So you quickly have to go to the NIM office. That's why JAMB made profile code generation early, because people have missed registration from several years. Okay, because when they start profile code generation the same dates with registration, what happens? The network will jam. People will not be able to generate their profile code. Problem here and there. You will go to NIM office. You are running around. Before you know, registration date has closed. You wait another year again for JAMB. Do you see that? Okay, so please generate your profile code today, so you know what the problem is and start resolving it immediately. Okay, if you're having any other issues, WhatsApp us. Okay, my WhatsApp details, you see it on our profile bio. Okay, yes, on TikTok, where my picture is, just you see a link, you see my number there. That's my WhatsApp. On YouTube, just check below the video description box of the video. You would also see my WhatsApp. Okay, so these are the problems, and these are the ways to, I think, how many did I list? I think like 6. These are the ways to resolve it. If you are not receiving it, but it's saying successful, try midnight from 12, 1, 2, 3. It will go. Then the network is not that heavy. Okay, and other cases, any other problem you're having, let's say for example you've done JAMB before, you lost your profile code, you don't have access to your JAMB portal, message me. Is at a charge. Okay, I will charge you to track and retrieve. All right, but if you have access to your JAMB portal, just go there and you just see it up there on your dashboard, your JAMB profile code, and you wait for when the JAMB form is out, get your e-pin and go do your registration. All right, you're destined to win. Don't forget to join our online classes to support you. You know, if you're lagging behind in any subject, join DTW online classes, the best online JAMB WAEC online classes in Nigeria. Join us today, 7,000 naira monthly. You have access to all the video recordings from past date, from November since we started. By February, in fact, by the end of the month, this month, we're also starting, apart from our live classes, we're starting live teachers brainstorming again on WhatsApp, questions from the beginning of the syllabus. So don't miss joining us February. Are you with me? All right, and also get the DTW JAMB CBT app, the best JAMB CBT app in Nigeria to study and practice. All right, you are destined to win. It contains all your digital past questions, you know, in that app. All right, you are destined to win, and see you in our next video.